Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make your own laundry detergent powder. We have two formulas here. The first one is a high foaming formula and the other one is a low foaming formula. If you're allergic to any of the ingredients in the first formula, especially the sulfates or the surfactants, please skip this video and move on with the low foaming formula. So we have these ingredients here, and our first cleaning ingredient is an anionic surfactant called sodium lauryl sulfate. We need about 40% of our anionic surfactant, which is the SLS, because we want it to really produce good foaming and bubbles when we are doing our laundry. Another one is Labsa. It is also an anionic surfactant, but it is in liquid form, so we only need about 10% of it because we don't want our whole product to be kind of like a moist powder. The next ingredient is washing soda or soda ash or sodium carbonate. It actually has two functions. The other one is stain removal, and of course, it has a water softener. It binds with the magnesium and calcium ions from hard water, so it makes the whole cleaning process easier. The next ingredient is zeolite or crystalline aminosilicate. It has other names, but this is a common one. It is a derivative of aluminum and silica, and it acts as a deodorant and also an absorbent, since it draws in moisture from the whole powder so that it glides easily in the packaging. Next is a gel. You can actually make your own EDTA solution by combining 50% of water and 50% of the EDTA powder. So it is a chelating agent, and what it does is it also binds with minerals from the water so that it makes the whole process of cleaning easier, just like the washing soda. But most importantly, it makes the whole product stable over time, because we all know that some of the ingredients can turn rancid. So the EDTA solution helps prevent that. Next ingredient is speckles. It doesn't really have any cleaning function, but what it does is it helps us identify which one is detergent powder, because it has like colors, little colors in it, and which one is flour, which one is baking soda, and all that. And the other one is fragrance. It just makes our whole cleaning process, in a better, in a fun way, because it has a nice scent and your clothes will come out better. These two are optional, so if you don't want to use speckles and fragrance in your detergent powder, then you can just add the 6% to any of the ingredients above. This one, the anionic surfactants. So you can just make like 46% of the SLS and not use these two ingredients here. So how do we calculate our own detergent powder? So we have percentages here, formulation percentage, and we have the batch weight. So if you want to make like a 1000 grams or 2000 grams, 1 kilogram, 2 kilograms of your laundry detergent, then just input it here, and this column will show you how many grams of each ingredient that you need. The H column has a formula. If you want to change the batch weight, it also changes the size here. So let's say 1000 grams times 40%, it is equal to 400 grams. So you need this much SLS in order to complete the product. If you want to change your batch weight into, say for example, 5000 grams, then you can just input it here at the F9 cell, and the H column will automatically give you the size, the actual size that you need of each ingredient. And that's it. It's very easy to do. So in making the detergent, you just need to combine the phase A first, so the SLS, the washing soda, the zeolite, and the speckles. As you can see, they are in the powdered form or the solid form. So please combine them all together at first and then set aside. The next one is to combine the phase B, the labsa, the EDTA solution, and the fragrance. They are in the liquid form. So after they are well combined, you can now mix the phase A and B, and then you now have your powder. You can now use it in your laundry. For the low sods or low foaming formula, we just need 4 ingredients. And if you don't like having no bubbles in your laundry, then this formula might not be for you, because it really doesn't create that much foam, or some doesn't even have any foam at all, but it actually does the cleaning. And what we need is baking soda or sodium bicarbonate, and it acts as a deodorant and also as a cleaning agent. And the other one is borax or sodium borate, and what it does, it removes stain, and it also acts as a bleaching agent. So we need this much borax because it does the cleaning and the bleaching. And the other one is washing soda, again, or the soda ash, and it acts as a water softener as well as a cleaning agent as well. If you don't see washing soda in your area, you can actually just make your own by heating up baking soda up to 100 degrees Celsius up to 1 hour, and then you can just create your own washing soda. So you need also 40% of it. And for fragrance, this is also optional, but if you want your clothes to smell better, then you can just use it. Like the first formula, you can just input your batch weight here, and then you now have the exact size or the weight of each ingredient that you need. So in making the detergent, you just need to combine all of the ingredients together and you are done. It is now ready to use. Please know that if you're handling any surfactants, most especially the sulfate, you don't want to create any skin contact with them. And if you are using the needle form or the powdered form, please use a dust mask or any protective gear that will cover your eyes and also your nose, because you don't want to be inhaling them, as they are really, really unpleasant.